Monitoring the pH of sushi rice during preparation is a vital step to producing safe, high-quality sushi. If the pH of sushi is equal to or greater than 4.2, pathogenic bacteria such as Listeria can grow quickly, even under refrigeration, and cause illness or death. Accurate results will only occur if the pH meter is used and calibrated properly. You should read the instructions provided by the manufacturer carefully and call the technical services number if you have any questions. The most important specification is the accuracy, which should be a minimum of plus or minus 0.1 pH units. Lower is better. Be sure to keep a record of calibration with date, time, the person calibrating, and the pH of the food you are testing, since this is required by your safety plan. Temperature compensation should be set to automatic with a range of temperature from 25 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit so that food can be tested accurately whether hot or cold. Calibration, it may say automatic, one-step, or two-step. The pH meter must be calibrated for each use. To calibrate your meter, turn it on following the manufacturer's instructions. Never use glass cups in a food preparation or processing area, since broken glass can get into the food. Proceed to fill 2 small plastic cups with colored buffers. One cup will contain pH 7.0 buffer and the other pH 4.0 buffer. Fill a plastic cup with pure distilled water. This is for rinsing the pH probe. Immerse the pH electrode into the pH 7.0 solution following the manufacturer's instruction. Rinse the pH electrode in the distilled water container. Now immerse pH electrode into the pH 4.0 buffer, again following the manufacturer's instructions. Rinse the electrode in the distilled water. Your pH meter is now calibrated. Discard the buffer and used plastic cups. Every batch of sushi rice must be tested to ensure that the pH is below 4.2 and preferably down to a target pH of 4.1. 1/4 cup rice should be collected from various locations in the batch of sushi rice so that a representative sample is obtained. Repeat this procedure so that you will have 2 separate samples. This is called duplicate sample. Add 3/4 cup distilled water to the 1/4 cup sushi rice for each sample. Mix the rice and water until a uniform slurry develops with as few lumps as possible, or use a blender to mix the rice and water. Insert the pH electrode into the first rice slurry and press the button to measure pH. If the pH is below 4.2, this is acceptable. Record this reading on the log. Take the pH of the second sample. Record it. If either sample is above 4.2, you must follow the established procedure. Clean the pH electrode by vigorously swishing it in distilled water or under running water, or as recommended by the manufacturer. It is essential that the pH meter be impeccably clean after each use to prolong electrode life and obtain accurate results. Do not use harsh chemicals or any chemical not recommended by the manufacturer to clean electrodes, as this can ruin them.